Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest insights and trends in the world of design. Today, we have an exciting topic for you all: the UI design career path in 2023. If you're passionate about creating stunning user interfaces and want to build a successful career in UI design, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to start a career in UI design, highlight some free and paid resources, and provide you with valuable tips along the way. So, let's jump right in. Before we dive into the career path, let's quickly go over what UI design entails. UI design, which stands for User Interface Design, focuses on creating visually appealing and user-friendly interfaces for digital products such as websites, mobile apps, and software applications. UI designers play a crucial role in enhancing user experiences through their design choices, layout, color schemes, typography, and overall aesthetic appeal. Now that you understand the basics, let's discuss how you can get started on your UI design career path. The first step is to build a strong foundation in design principles. Understanding concepts like color theory, typography, layout, and composition will form the backbone of your UI design skills. One of the best ways to begin is by taking online courses and tutorials. Here are a few recommendations. Udemy has a vast collection of UI design courses catering to different skill levels. Look for highly rated courses from reputable instructors like UI and Web Design using Adobe XD or Figma UI/UX Design Essentials by Daniel Walter Scott. Uxel is an online learning platform that helps users learn and improve their UI/UX design skills. It offers a variety of courses, lessons, and assessments that are designed to be both informative and engaging. Uxel also provides users with the opportunity to showcase their skills and connect with other designers in the industry. Coursera partners with renowned universities and offers UI design courses. Check out Interaction Design Specialization by the University of California, San Diego, for a comprehensive learning experience. Remember to practice what you learn along the way. Building a portfolio of your design projects will showcase your skills to potential employers and clients. Now that you have a foundation in design principles, let's explore the tools and software commonly used in UI design. The industry standard software for UI design is Figma. Figma is a web-based design tool that makes it easy to create, collaborate, and share designs. It is a powerful tool that can be used to create high-quality user interfaces for web and mobile applications. Figma is a great choice for designers and teams who want to create high-quality user interfaces for web and mobile applications. It is easy to use, powerful, and versatile. Additionally, Adobe XD is a vector-based design tool for web and mobile applications. It is easy to use, powerful, and versatile. Adobe XD offers a wide range of features, including a user-friendly interface, a variety of design tools, the ability to create interactive prototypes, and the ability to export designs to a variety of formats. Adobe XD is a great choice for designers who want to create high-quality user interfaces for web and mobile applications. Networking plays a vital role in any career, and UI design is no exception. Connecting with other designers and professionals in the industry can open doors to opportunities, mentorship, and collaborations. Here are a few ways to expand your professional network. Join design communities. Platforms like Dribbble, Behance, ADP List, and Designer Hangout are great places to showcase your work, get feedback, and connect with fellow designers. Attend design events. Look for design conferences, meetups, and workshops happening both online and offline. These events provide excellent networking opportunities and a chance to learn from industry experts. Now that you've developed your skills and built your network, let's explore the job opportunities in UI design. UI designers are in high demand across various industries, including tech companies, startups, design agencies, and even large corporations. Job titles may vary, such as UI designer, interaction designer, or visual designer. To find job opportunities, you can explore popular job search platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, and Behance. Additionally, having a strong online portfolio will attract potential employers. If you prefer freelancing, platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and TopTal offer opportunities to work on UI design projects remotely. Freelancing allows you to gain experience, work on diverse projects, and build your client base. Finally, never stop learning in this ever-evolving field. Stay updated with the latest design trends, emerging technologies, and UX principles. Here are a few resources to help you stay ahead. Blogs and websites. Follow influential design blogs like Smashing Magazine, UX Collective, and Nielsen Norman Group to stay informed about the latest design insights and trends. Online courses and workshops. Platforms like Interaction Design Foundation and Skillshare offer a wide range of courses, workshops, and design challenges to enhance your skills. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge and resources to kickstart your UI design career path in 2023. Remember, it's essential to build a strong foundation in design principles, practice with the right tools, network with fellow designers, and stay updated with industry trends. With dedication and perseverance, you can create stunning user interfaces and excel in this exciting field. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more design-related content. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.